Hey guys, thought y'all might want to check out this little patinaed 72 Chevy I just got. Kind of a neat little old truck, make a good shop truck for somebody. I'm gonna be posting it on Marketplace for $4,900 and see how it goes. It's a little 6-cylinder, automatic, factory automatic, disc brakes, manual steering. Kind of a neat little truck. Still needs some carburetor work, but it will run under its own power. Let me show y'all how she looks here and get y'all's thoughts on it. Kind of a cool little old truck. Got some 50s on the back, 60s on the front. Coil spring drop. Long bed, of course, but rides a little better that way. I don't know where they found these Patina Texaco stickers, but they look good on them. Matches the truck very well. See if we can get under the hood here while I'm on my phone. No frills. Inline 6. Just put new spark plugs and an oil change in it today. Really could probably stand a new carburetor. Or it'd be cool to throw a 5.3 and a 4L60 in and just cruise. Put your shop logo on the side of it and let her ride just the way she is. Probably not worth trying to fix all the rust, but somebody could make that decision themselves. Just thought you guys would think it was cool, so if you like it, just give me a like or a comment, and thanks for looking.